Dear students, welcome to Savita Engineering College. The first day for the chemistry in the classes. I am Dr. P. Muthupandi, who have completed my doctorate in Anna University, and I am taking the class for the last 5 years in our colleges. Before that, I have come to another 2 to 3 colleges for my co-workers, and for this semester I am going to take you the 19 CY 206, which is called as the Principles of Electrochemistry. In the Principles of Electrochemistry, we are going to see the 5 units. The first unit is the basics of chemical bonding and electrochemistry. We have all come across the 12th standard, so you all know about the chemical bondings, about the ionic bonds, covalent bonds, coordinate bonds, and then London valence forces. And in the next we are going to see about the electrochemistry. In electrochemistry, we are going to specifically want to see the galvanic cells, the Nernst equation, the Coldre's law, and the electrochemical series significances, and the Nernst equation, which I have been studied earlier itself. The second unit, which is called as a corrosion chemistry. You all know about the corrosion. In everyday life, we are getting into the corrosion. How can the corrosion has been taken place? We all know only one thing, the rusting of iron. That's called as a corrosion, but that is not proven. We have the two types of corrosion. One is called as electrochemical corrosion, and another one is called as dry corrosion. These are the things we are going to study in this unit. And the third one, we are going to see the protective coatings. Once the corrosion has been happened, how we are going to have the protection of the corrosion by the various phases of electroplating, rock plating, continuous platings, line plating, electroplating of copper, nickel and gold, everything. And importantly, we are going to study about the coatings of paint. These are the third units. And the fourth unit, we are going to study about the energy storage devices. We have studied about the energy storage devices. Where we have studied in our 11th and 12th standard, we have studied about the energy storage devices of the batteries, fuel cells, and here also we are going to study the batteries, primary battery, secondary battery, and then fuel cells, and also the energy conversion process of the solar and wind energy and geothermal energy, all these things which has been helped in our day-to-day lives. And the last one, we are going to see the important process of electrical energy engineering materials. In electrical engineering materials, we are going to study about the conductors, what are the different conductors, magnetic materials, paramagnetic materials, diamagnetic materials, antiparamagnetic materials, and the polymer blends and alloys. And by using all these 5 units, we are going to have a 5 CO programming. The first outcome of the CO was to develop the fundamentals of electrochemistry in engineering processes. The second one, relate theory of corrosion towards various control measures. The third, you can able to know about the acquired knowledge about various types of protective coatings. And the fourth one, classify various energy sources available for storage. Category for the broad domain of electrical engineering. That was the first course outcome. Right. What I am going to do? One thing, I am going to take the classes for you. If you can't able to understand the classes, ask me there itself. I can able to give you the explanation once or twice for you, because you are all new to this departments and for the paper. And initially we have the 2 CAS and the practicals and the skill assessment. All these things will come together. We are going to have the internal marks. Keep that in your mind. So with me, ask any questions in the classroom. Thank you.